You're not bad with money. You just haven't updated the emotional software your mom installed in 1997. You can't manifest six figures if you still feel guilty about buying oat milk, babe. That voice in your head clutching coupons? That's not frugal. That's ancestral survival guilt in a cardigan. Money isn't evil. The guilt you inherited from that time your mom said, "Must be nice," is. You're not bad at money. You were just emotionally raised by someone who flinched at brand names. Want to rewrite your money story without the guilt? Join the Eveolution. We spend on purpose.
If your mom used to whisper, "Don't touch anything," congrats, your nervous system flinches at wealth.
You inherited more than eye color. You got generational guilt with a side of poverty vows. That's not buyer's remorse. That's inner child panic, wearing your mom's sweater.
Ordering a latte shouldn't feel like confessing a sin. It's foam, not failure.
You say you want abundance, but you're afraid of an avocado. Babe, it's fruit. Competing for who can suffer the most financially is not a business strategy. You're allowed to buy nice things. You don't have to summon the ghost of your frugal aunt. Repeat after me. I am not irresponsible. I am reclaiming joy with a side of hummus. If your joy costs $24 and smells like bergamot, it's worth it. Your ancestors survived worse. Stop tipping everyone but yourself. Subscribe. Join the Eveolution. Rewrite your wealth story.